Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also the bell beside the subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's something I use and I enjoy. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video in that same area, there is a thumbs up. On YouTube, that's important for you guys, that if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping me grow on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that. All right. And lastly, but definitely not least, we have a 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. Very, very happy that at the beginning of this month, it came to us that we hit that goal, and it is absolutely fantastic. So what we ended up doing was a video for a giveaway to help with you guys to celebrate with us this fantastic achievement. So it's a joint effort, so we wanted to make sure that you guys were a part of the celebration. So please, if you haven't, check the video that I will leave in the description box down below for you to be able to have the chance to enter and win and be part of the celebration. But either way, thank you so much for tuning in, watching, subscribing, sharing, and helping this channel grow. It means everything. All right, today I am so excited to share with you that I received a package so quickly, and it's a deal that's going on right now. So I wanted to wait to see what it looked like because it was the first time I was getting something like this, and I didn't want to just film or tell you guys about it. I wanted to check it out for myself. And it is an absolute fantastic deal that now I'm going to sit down and I'm going to share it with you. I've already filmed this video, and when yesterday when the package arrived, when I came home after doing a bunch of errands today, we went to upload the video, and for some reason it's showing that there's something in it that's making it into slow motion. So I'm refilming now. So the hair in the thumbnails versus my hair now, and the makeup and everything is all different, and that's why. Okay, all right, so let me tell you all about this. So first, let me say that I went through Rakuten, and if you're not familiar with it, I want to make sure that you guys take advantage of it, because Rakuten is running a deal right now that if you use my link, you will get $30 and I will get $30 as long as you spend $30 within 90 days of pressing on the link and signing up. There is no monthly fees. This is not sponsored. It's something I used prior to and still continue to use before I even had a channel like this. It is fantastic. It is, you get money for doing exactly what you would normally do and where you would normally shop. You just have to go into Rakuten's site first and then type in, and it would be Macys, and then it will tell you what the percentage is. At the time that I did this, they were running a promotion with Macys, Rakuten was, that was giving 15% of the total of the amount that I would spend in that order. So it's absolutely fantastic. And then you get a check at the end of the 3 months. And this is how it goes every quarter. It is absolutely fantastic. And Walgreens, Sephora, Ulta, Macys, any store, every time I check there first, and that's where I find out that if the store is part of Rakuten, and 99% of the time it is. And so I'm getting extra money and extra bonuses with cash back for doing exactly what I was going to do anyways. The extra bonus is that if you have never signed up for Rakuten and you use my link, you're going to get an extra $30, and so will I. So I think it's absolutely fantastic. So I will leave that link also in the description box down below. Let me tell you about this deal. So this is a deal that when I went into Macys, Macys is running something right now that's called their 10 Days of Glam. There's so many deals that are going on right now between BoxyCharm's pop-up and Ipsy's pop-up and this 10 Days of Glam. I went in, but the deals that I'm getting right now on BoxyCharm and on Ipsy, I'm getting more than the 50% off that you would get like in these, you know, Ulta deals or Macys deals or things like that. But I wanted to check out what it was all about. And while I was in there, for some reason, this little area popped up that's called Created for Macys. And it was an 11-piece Beauty Besties set. And as you know, I write my notes down. And it was a limited time special. It was supposed to be it is not supposed to be, it is $231 value, and it was for like $49.50. It is now reduced in half. So I paid $24.75 for this deal, and Macy's has a $25 free freight. So I ordered something for $1 in the section, and believe it or not, they're shipping that separately. So it makes no sense. They're gonna, for me, I only needed a quarter to get it to that free ship, but it ended up being that I spent a little bit more, but now they're shipping that one item separately, which is crazy. Anyways, so let me show you what this is all about. So it came in this cute little Macy's box like this. It came beautifully, beautifully packaged in, to me, a reusable, beautiful, hard container that has that window, which is what I love leaving on my countertop. And I'm definitely going to be reusing this. Every single item was placed into one of these. I just took it out so that the noise factor wouldn't drive you guys crazy as I was pulling it out. I then made notes for myself what the full size, because a lot of these are sample sizes, what the full size would be, because I like to know about that. And they also have a little brochure inside here that gives you all the information about every single one of the products in detail. So it is really, really, really well done. So this is called the 11-piece Beauty Besties set, created for Macy's. It's a $24.75 is what I paid. And like I mentioned, it's $231. So let's go through the products. So the first item is from this brand called Caudalie. This is what it looks like here. And this one here, what I wrote, it's an instant foaming cleanser. It is a 1.69 ounce, and this on the site was $14. The full size of this, which is a 5 ounce, is $28. The next item that is in here is from Clarins, and this is a Total Eye Lift-Replenishing Eye Concentrate, and the full size of this is an $89 value. The next item in here is from Clinique. It is a deluxe sample size, but I tell you all the time, the brush and the formula is exactly the same that's in the full size. So when you have an opportunity to try any of these mini sizes, definitely do, because they'll last you way longer than a lot of times, you know, if we buy the full size and we have a lot of mascaras in our drawer, those will dry out. These little guys are fantastic to travel with. They're fantastic to take around. But the main thing for me is for trying the product out. I love it because the formula and the brush is the exact same in this as in the full size. So this one here, the full size of this mascara that we're going to be trying is $20. The next one here is from Donna Karan. This is her Cashmere Mist Eau de Parfum. It is her purse spray. This, I think, is a $30 value based on what I found. And the full size of this in the bottle is $158 to $240. So I'm telling you, this is such a steal. The next item in here is from Elemis, and this is their Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, and the full size of this is $128. The next item in here is from Elizabeth Arden. It is her Hyaluronic Acid Ceramide Capsules. It is a Hydra-Plumping Serum. There's 7 capsules in here, but the full size, I don't know how many capsules is in that, but it runs anywhere from $51 to $87. The next item in here is this cute jar from Glamglow. This is their Youthmud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask, and 0.5 ounce is $25, and the full size is $60 to $86. The next item in here is one that I could not wait to get my hands on. This is from this brand called Caudalie. It is a cleansing spa water, and the one that we're receiving here is 1.35 ounces, and the full size of this is $57. This brand is one of the high-end brands that a lot of girls, when I first started watching YouTube, were using the foundation from this brand, and it is a really expensive brand, so I'm really excited to try something from this brand. The next item in here looks like it is a full-size MAC lipstick, and it is in their Lustre, and the shade that I got is called Cockney, and the full size of this is $19. And I just want to open this up to show you how gorgeous the color is. Is that not stunning? So really happy to get that. And like I said, I'm pretty sure that's a full-size bullet. The next item in here is from NARS. Can you believe the brands? This one is a mini smudge proof eyeshadow base. The full size of this is $26. I've used this before and it is really, really good. And then the last item that's in here is from Philosophy. And this is the Pure Grace Shampoo, Bath and Shower Gel. This is, they're saying 1 ounce, and the full size of this is $28, and the full size of this is a 16 ounce. They're saying on the paperwork that it's supposed to be pure grace, then it is pure grace. The reason I get a lot from Philosophy, and I got introduced to Philosophy from the channels like QVC, where they have a fantastic relationship, and everything that I have is what they call super size. So like if the stores have something that's 16 ounces, on QVC they'll sell you something that's like 32 ounces. And my holy grail cleanser is from this brand, and it is called Purity. And it is fantastic. It takes off your makeup, it doesn't strip your skin, it doesn't do any of that. But their shower and bath gels, which is what this is, I have it in Pure Grace, I have it in Falling in Love, I have it in so many, because a lot of times they'll run these deals where they're in packages, and every scent is beautiful. They are something about it, they're not overpowering, but they're either very, very clean, or the amount of scent to it is not like a rose or anything like that. It's really these unique scents that they just make you feel fantastic. So really, really, if you haven't had the chance to try something from Philosophy, this is an absolute win. And like I said, on top of that, they're giving you the booklet that tells you all the details of every single product that's in here. So wanted to make sure that you guys knew about this, and that you will, you know, if you want to take advantage of this sale, that you'll go on Macys.com. I will leave in the description box the full title and everything of how, you know, you search for this. But like I said, if you haven't signed up for Rakuten, definitely sign up for that first and then go to Macys, because this alone is $25, and then you're $5 away within 90 days of any store to be able to get $30 back, and then I will get that same $30 as well. So wanted to share all this with you. Hope after I upload this video that everything worked out this time, but I wanted to make sure to refilm this quickly because I wanted to make sure that you guys could take advantage of the deal. All right, as always, you know how much I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. I know in the US that a lot of things are moving in the right direction, but I have a lot of family and friends in other countries where it's not. So I want to still wish everybody to continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.